Alright, good morning YouTube. How you guys doing? How's everything going? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day this car needs to get running again. So what I have here, brand new Master. This is gonna be a pain in the ass to do because I've gotta remove the master cylinder all the way in there. I gotta take out the reservoir first, but I have to get back there, so my strut bar is gonna have to come out, the battery's gonna have to come out. I might have to move off the intake piping, and I might have to try and fit through there as well as inside the car just to get to it. So wish me luck. It is a very tight spot to work with, and it is not too hard but not the easiest thing. So oh, look at that paint, look at that paint. Well, yeah, so I'm gonna get to it. From here I'm probably gonna put you guys on the head strap with the GoPro, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing, and then eventually Terry will show up. So let's get to it. Alright guys, I hope you can see. I think Terry's here. Terry's definitely here. So first things first, I gotta take off this battery. I need this battery out of the way. What up?
This is breakfast.
I think I'm recording, so you can say hi to the camera.
What up, YouTube? What up?
Dude, I was literally just getting stuff together just so that I could start this job. I was like, I have to start it like ASAP. I can't just sit around. Alright, battery's out the way. I'm gonna put this in the car, in the trunk. Because eventually it's gonna go there permanently. Yes, battery relocation soon enough. Alright, flathead. I wonder if I could just move this out the way slightly. That's all I need, really.
Might have to use the fuse box too. No.
Maybe, but I definitely want to take off the strut bar. Oh guys, you see the Accord's back on its normal wheels? It's got new meats, a little bit thicker sidewall. Not sidewall, but a little bit thicker width, yeah. And the TL's back on its wheels. Oh, wrong one. What? Ah, these are a 13. That's weird. I don't remember that being a 13. What's that? Okay, don't drop any of the washers. That is the shittiest place to put this. Let me see your needle nose pliers. What the hell was Acura thinking when they decided to put this here? Yo, you got a very small extension?
Mate. That's the tank cord or reservoir?
Yeah, that's the reservoir. Clutch master cylinder reservoir.
I don't think this is doing much.
No, that's not doing anything at all.
Worth a try.
I do not want to lose this bolt. So,
I
boom.
think I have a magnet there.
Well, I'm gonna put the bolts right in here. Oh, does that come with, let me see what it comes with. New gasket, but it doesn't come with the shit, this fork goes on the end. There's an O-ring that has to drop in there. We're gonna have to reuse it from the old one.
I don't even see it over.
Yeah, no, there's a plastic cover right on it, right inside of there. That pulls out, and then there's like this little pitchfork that goes in on the other side, because what goes in here, it does not thread in, it just drops in, but the O-ring has to go in to make it nice and snug, and then the little fork from the old one clips back into this around the base of the what we put in there. And then there's an end on the other side that looks like a little pitchfork like this, that you have to spread it so that it won't come out.
Oh, okay.
So if I'm right, this shouldn't theoretically spill any fluid because the cap's still on.
It's leaking a little bit
From the line, but from that, no fluid.
No.
Then you could pour the fluid into that bucket right there. Just undo the cap. Terry, you got shop towels?
In the trunk of my car.
Where your keys at?
Oh, damn.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Once you take the cap off, it starts spilling. Oh, that's exactly why we needed the line wrench.
Yeah. Right size though?
I believe so, because this is a 10, 12.
Yeah, 12.
I'm probably gonna need a 10. Okay, you're gonna need this because you're gonna need to go above the line. So basically what this does is it goes in through the line and it allows you to drop onto the nut. Without this, you can't get this done. Also, this is, so for example, like this ABS lines, you can't get through, right? Boom, you get it through the line and it allows you to attach to the bolt. See that? This is exactly what a brake line wrench does, except this is not the correct size. Oh, yes it is. There you go, see? Boom. And that's demonstration of a brake line wrench. And this is what we need to be able to take out that. Problem is, it's just the tightest spot. I might want to move the fuse box.
Yeah, might have to.
Yeah. Fuck it. All right, guys. I will get back to you in a little bit. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna try and do now, hopefully I won't block the flashlight, but there's a bolt right there, and then there's a bolt tucked on the other side. Same bolt. I'm gonna undo those bolts. Then the fork. So there you go. There goes the bolt right there, and the bolt is on the other side. Yeah, I know this is ugly and rusty, but it's to be expected. Anyways, this is the fork. I'm gonna pull that cotter pin, release the pin out. That should, and with the bolts being undone, that should allow me to push the master cylinder out so that I can actually undo that line, and then maybe I can actually pull the master cylinder out. Put this right there. How the hell? I need more extensions. Oh, this has gotta go like, oh my god, this is freaking retarded, bro. I swear to god, this is the stupidest fucking thing Acura could have done.
It's all about the dealership.
I gotta take this GoPro. All right, guys. So this is a bitch to do, but so I had the brake line wrench, and I did break it loose where I need to, but I can't get it back on. So the needle nose pliers is going in, and it's actually working, but it's just not enough leverage. So the spins are very, very small, you could say. But it's working. And I would say, give me another minute. Ow, I got caught. And that clutch master is coming out. Oh, it's so difficult. If you guys can only see in there. Actually, you know what? It's a good thing to shove this light right here, probably. Yeah. So it's in there somewhere. You just, let me see. It's like right there. Yep, that's the line I'm taking out. That rubber hose, it's next to it. It's the hard line. If you can see it, it's going up. But man, it's just being a bitch to come out. It's really kicking my ass. And I'm not even on install yet. This is just purely uninstalling. Just taking it out. But
install is gonna be another pain in the ass.
Install's gonna suck. But I need this car running. This gotta get done. So it is what it is.
Yep.
I'll update you guys when it's out. Yo, what's happening? I forgot to update you guys. I pulled the old one out, the one Terry's holding. Terry, show him that. That shaft play is retarded. I'm pretty sure that was my problem. The master is no good here. Now, we swapped the line over. I cleaned the line out with brake line. This is the new master. Terry, show him the play in that. There ain't no play. So
that's stiff.
That's that stiff joint.
That's morning wood right there.
That is morning wood right there. That's that supreme morning wood right there. So I did get it out. I'm gonna try and show you guys. Way back here. This is the area that it goes in. You see the hole opening? Oh no, you don't. What? Oh, it's in there. But in that corner, that's a bitch to get out. It was a little difficult, but I fought with it and I won. So now it's just putting it back in. We're gonna re-bleed the system, and hopefully I'm gonna drive this bitch around the block because I miss my baby. But hopefully that's it. That solves our issue completely, and
car will be drivable.
Car will be drivable again. And then I'm gonna be dropping it off to the body shop guy so that he can put my bumper on, and then I can go back and pick it up.
Okay.
Even though you guys might be asking, why do you need him to put your bumper on? Can't you do it yourself? Yes, I can. But he needs to finalize it on the car, straighten out, make sure the panels are all straight and everything, so he can finish it. But it's just been a hell of a process, and I'm over it. I was like, Terry, just get me a base bumper. No, I'm over it. I want to finish this up so I can drive this and drop it off. Yeah, so I'm gonna install this, and it's a pain in the ass, so I'm gonna tell you guys how to do it real quick. Once you get this in place and your bolts are in, or this lines up through the hole, you want to bolt these two bolts back in. Then you're gonna bolt the fork to the clutch pedal. You're gonna have to rescrew the bleeder line in here, and then this line just pops right back into the reservoir. It seems fairly simple, but and in reality it is very simple. The only problem is the space you're given to work with.
Yeah, no space at all.
No space at all.
Barely any space.
Barely none.
But god damn.
Terry was like, yo,
I want no parts.
he wants no parts. He's like, I want no parts, you do that. I'm like, yeah, lucky you don't got a clutch. He got that auto life, you know what I mean? He's happy with his auto. Me, I like the stick shift. So let me get this done, and I will update you guys in a little bit.
This right here is how you work on your car.
Don't judge me.
I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of comfortable.
Ah, fuck. No!
Oh, that's not good. Alright, so a quick update on the side skirts. These are officially sanded, primered. This one still has a few small spots in here. It's barely noticeable on camera, but I see them. I was gonna sand them all today, but I need a higher grade sandpaper, so I'm gonna wait until I get like 1,000 grit or 2,000 grit, so it could be really like smooth finish. And then I'm gonna hit it with actual primer, like a good primer that sticks, so that it's good for the base coat, it's good for the clear coat and all that fun stuff. But for now, we're gonna get sanded probably in the next week or so. Hopefully, depending on the weather. If the weather's warm, then obviously that's gonna happen. But as of right now, it's absolutely bricks, and we have no sun. The sun's hiding from us. So for now, we're just gonna finish up on the TL.
Yo guys, I don't even know what's the last update you guys got, but car's back on, battery's back in, everything's back in place, and my clutch pedal works again.
But does it go back into gear?
But does it go back into gear? I'm gonna let the car warm up first, and then we're gonna figure out if we did the job correctly, or if that was even the problem. We did the job correctly because I have pressure in my pedal
And everything,
nothing's leaking. It worked. So master's back in, so it's a new master, new slave.
sounds kind of kinky.
And so now I'm gonna let the car warm up, and hopefully it goes into gear. If it goes into gear, my problems are solved.
Yeah.
Oh baby, just go into gear. It's in gear. My baby back.
That's just loud as fuck.
You gonna go for a little ride around the block?
Yeah.
Alright, let's clean up a little bit. And my baby back, bitch! She's officially back. All in all, install day was a success. Thumbs up. She back, boys. She back. She driving. We just went for a little joyride. Terry filmed a little clip, but we were driving a lot more than just that clip.
Yeah.
Having a little bit of fun.
A lot of fun.
A lot of butter fun. She's back. Now next step is to drop her off to get that done. Bring her home and have some fun.
Yeah.
Drop a thumbs up down below. Leave a comment. Damn, tell me what you guys are most excited to see on the channel from the both of us. I want to know what you guys want to see.
We got stuff coming up, but
yeah, we do have stuff coming up, but you know, we want to know what you guys want to see. So let us know down below. Give this video a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. Keep us growing.
Shit.
Yo, but anyways, until the next one, peace out, and we'll see you guys later.